So over here on the right hand side, you can see that there are a bunch of icons, and these are known as the sidebar apps. If you don't see the sidebar, then in order to activate it or deactivate it, then you can go around onto the three dot button and onto settings right here, and over here you can access sidebar. So you can go around and disable the sidebar or enable the sidebar right here. So once you go around onto the right hand side, you can see that there's Microsoft Shopping, there's tools right here, there's games, there's Microsoft 365 and so forth. If I were to go around and click, then it simply opens up that particular sidebar app. For example, there's Microsoft Word right here, Word Online that is, and you can simply go around and access it from over here. You can also go around onto Outlook, as you can see right here, and then you can see that there's Drop and E3 and so forth. If I were to go to tools right here, then you get different tools like calculator, like unit converter, as you can see, like translator and world clock right here, as you can see. And these are the different apps that you can go around and then access it out. So that is how you can access out the sidebar apps, so that you have a range of functions that you can quickly search for, like there's Bing over here as well and so forth, as you can see. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.